Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to log out of your Temu account. So first we're going to go to the Temu app. Then once you're here, we're going to click on You, which is found right at the middle. Then next we're going to click on Settings, found at the top right corner. Then now as you can see, there's the sign out button. You're going to click on it. So it's going to provide you two options, either to switch accounts or sign out. So since we want to sign out, we're going to click on sign out. Then it's going to sign you out. But if you guys want to log in back again, we also have different videos on it. Make sure to check it out. Then you guys can continue with this shopping. As you can see, it has different categories, different options for you to shop from. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.